In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create image to video in Grok AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a still image into a short video animation using Grok's Imagine tool, with clear tips to get reliable results. First, open Grok and head to the Imagine page. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand panel. This is where you'll find the creative tools you'll use throughout the process. Click on Imagine to open the workspace where you'll prepare your animation. In the main area, locate the Imagine box. Think of this as your instruction field, the place where you'll describe what you want Grok to do with your image. Keep that in mind for a moment. We'll come back to it after you add your visuals. To bring in your image, click the plus sign. This opens your file picker so you can upload from your device. Use clear, high-quality images if you can. They tend to animate more cleanly. If you want to work with more than one, click Edit Images and select up to 5. This is useful for variations, but starting with a single image is perfectly fine. Once your images are uploaded, select the one you want to animate so it's highlighted. This helps Grok know exactly which file to use when generating your video. Now return to the Imagine box and type your instruction. Be specific and direct. For example, instead of a vague idea, try something like make the character gently jump in place with a smooth camera zoom, or add subtle wind movement to the hair and clothing. Short, clear prompts usually produce the most consistent results. Next, switch the output mode to video. This tells Grok you want a motion result rather than a still image. You'll see options for quality and size. This is where resolution comes in. Adjust the resolution if you want. Higher resolutions look sharper but can take longer to render. If you're unsure, the default is a good starting point and you can always increase it later. Once everything looks right, your image is selected, your prompt is set, the mode is video, and your resolution is chosen, click send. Grok will begin processing. You'll see it work for a bit, while rendering time varies based on complexity and resolution, so give it a moment. When your video is ready, preview the result. If the motion isn't quite what you imagined, refine your prompt with a clearer action or tempo and try again. Small tweaks can make a big difference. That's it. You've just turned an image into a video in Grok AI. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.